Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I will show you browser command in Selenium using AI. So let's go to the computer screen. I will show you step-by-step process. Now I am at computer screen. For our script writing, today we will use Google Gemini. You can use any other AI like ChatGPT, Copilot or anything else. We already written our prompt over here. So prompt is, can you please create Selenium Java script for all browser command using below URL, and browser will be Firefox. Here is Gecko driver location and it will be TestNG test. Copy this prompt from here. So I'll put this prompt in the description box. You can, if needed, you can take it from there. So paste it over here, then hit enter from keyboard. Gemini will analyze this prompt and it will create our script. Script already created. So let me copy the whole script from here. You see the share button, then copy contents. Then you need to go editor. We'll use Eclipse IDE. You can use any other IDE too. Here already our project package created. So select the package, right click in the package, then new. You need to go other. We'll do the TestNG class. Then click next. Here you need to keep up to source. Then you need to provide class name. Our class name is browser command. Then click finish. Here we don't need the test because already AI created for us. So here you need to paste all the code. So once you paste, let's say we need to modify a little bit. Let me copy all import thing from here. It needs to go before the class. So paste it over here. Then also class name we already created browser command. We don't need this class name that AI created. So also we need to delete one curly bracket because class we deleted. Then you can save it. After saving, you need to see if there is any error on your script. I don't see any error. Just we need to verify the script little bit. Thereafter we will run. First um, it is created Gecko driver system.set property. It is our path Gecko driver. Then it is navigating Firefox browser invoke. Then after it opens source demo application. So source demo application, it captured the title, thereafter current URL, then after login completed, then navigate back, then forward, and also refreshed. All the browser command, it is completed. Thereafter, it's quit the browser. So let me run it. Let's see if everything works as expected or not. Right click, run as TestNG test. So let's see how it goes. You see browser open and it should, yes, sourcedemo.com. It is navigated, maximize, login, log out, navigate back, forward, everything done, and it closed the browser. So, and also if you see the console message, it is passed. And also all the message it is printed. Let's say here it is system.out.println current URL. Current URL, it is the current URL. That means everything works as expected. We didn't even write any code. AI written all the code for us and it is perfectly fine. There is no error, nothing. Whatever we required, AI written everything. That's all for today's tutorial. I believe those who are new in software automation testing using Selenium Java with AI, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.